Samsung Freezer Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Samsung freezer repair that consists of Samsung refrigerator freezer repair, Samsung chest freezer repair, Samsung French door freezer repair, Samsung stainless steel freezer repair, along with all other Samsung freezer models. If your Samsung freezer's not cooling, or your freezer's not working, or your freezer runs all the time, maybe your freezer's leaking water, or your freezer has defrost drain problems, maybe your freezer coil's frosting up, or your freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.